Meer van alles.
Did you see the Amber Alert about that boy that went missing? It's gotta be him again.
Him?
Cass, cover her ears. Him. It's gotta be him. The one who's been killing all the cats in the neighborhood. He must have... What's that word they use on TV? Escalated. And that poor little boy who went missing? He's Addie's age. Addie.
Most of those missing kids cases are just a divorced parent who wants to see their kid. He'll be fine.
Yeah, I'm sure you're right.
Can I come in? Are things gonna be okay?
Cass, your shoes. They're untied. You're gonna fall if you keep rushing around like that. And Cass, please, when you come in, leave your shoes by the door. You track in a ridiculous amount of dirt.
I love you, Cassie.
Yes. Why's the window open? Bugs will come in. Does it have something to do with what happened last night? Addie told me. Cass, I'm worried.
I don't know what she's talking about. I'm fine. It's fine.
They still haven't found that boy, you know.
They haven't found any cats either. I have to get ready for school.
Mom?
I don't know where she is. We haven't seen her since this morning. I'm scared. I'm scared she's done something.